Are you looking to boost your resume before you apply for a new job, or getting ready to take the first steps towards starting your own business? Or maybe you're interested in taking your creative passions to the next level. If any of these are true, or if you just enjoy engaging in ongoing learning and personal development, then you should know about Lynda Com. Lynda Com is an online learning website that offers over 6,000 courses in business, technology, and creative skills. These courses are taught by experts in their fields and can be accessed anytime from anywhere that you have internet access and some type of device such as a smartphone, computer, or tablet. All you need is your library card and 4-digit PIN number to access Lynda.com for free through the Sonoma County Library. In this video, we will learn how to log into Lynda.com, how to search for a skill or program, how to browse courses, and how to access the pre-made learning paths. So to get started, you'll just type sonomalibrary.org into the search bar. This brings you to our main Sonoma County Library website. From here, you'll click on Online Resources, which brings you to this page of all the different digital resources that you have access to for free with your library card. There's tons of cool stuff to explore here, but for today, we are going to focus on Lynda.com right here under e-learning. So if you click on that, it will ask for your library card and PIN number. And remember, if you forget your PIN number, you can call or visit your local branch and someone can look it up for you. So we'll go ahead and click Log In. If you already know what skill or program you're looking for, you can type it into the search bar. For instance, let's say that I'm applying for a new bookkeeping job and I know from the job posting that the company I'm applying to uses QuickBooks Pro 2016. So I'm going to start by typing QuickBooks into the search bar. Now you'll see that there are 380 results, which is way more than I feel like scrolling through. So I'm going to narrow my search by typing in QuickBooks Pro 2016, since I know that's what the company uses. So now there are only 17 results, which feels much more manageable. This top one looks like exactly what I'm looking for. QuickBooks Pro 2016 Essential Training. I can see down here that it's 4 hours and 12 minutes long, which should be enough to give me a nice solid overview to make me feel more confident for my interview. So on the course page, you can see that you have a navigation window here on the left. So you can start from the beginning, or you can skip ahead and watch the videos in any order. So that means that you can really do this course at your own pace. Repeat them as often as you want to. You'll also see that you have this handy notebook tab where you can take notes while you watch the videos. So now that we know how to search for a specific program or skill, we're going to learn how to browse courses. So let's imagine I'm looking to learn a new creative skill to put my energy into. But since I don't know exactly what I'm looking for, I'm going to browse rather than search. To do this, I will hover over Library and I'll see that the courses are organized by subject. So, I've always wanted to learn more about photography. So I'm going to hover over photography. And today I want to learn about portraits. So if I click here, you'll see that there are a number of courses and videos that are specific to portrait photography. So now that we've learned how to browse, we're going to talk about accessing the learning paths that Lynda.com has created for people who want to dive into a particular subject and explore it more in depth and with more guidance. So we're going to go back to the Lynda.com homepage. We'll see here that they're highlighting some of their popular learning paths, but we want to see all of them. So we can either browse by scrolling down here or by clicking on Filter Paths and choosing a category. So let's say that I'm looking into starting my own business, but I'm not really sure where to start. I'm going to click on Business, and then I see over here that they have a learning path that's specific to becoming a small business owner. So I'll click on that, and I'll see that I have 15 hours of video tutorials on starting a business that have been selected and organized by experts in order to maximize my learning. So to review, today we learned how to log into Lynda.com with your library card, how to search for trainings on a particular program or skill, how to browse trainings to discover new ideas, and how to access learning paths for longer, more in-depth lessons. We hope that you will enjoy using Lynda.com to build your resume, your skill set, and your confidence, all for free through the Sonoma County Library.